Hi, so we're back talking again about National Salad Month, which is in May every year. And we love salads here at Olivelo. Obviously, we do a lot of olive oil and vinegar, so we're all about that. But we wanted to focus on 4 really good old world salads. We've already talked about Greek salad, and we talked about tabbouleh. So right now we're going to do panzanella, which is a Tuscan bread salad. Really easy. No skill really required with this, but it can be a really hearty salad, and usually you get this salad with just the bread and tomatoes, and that's actually how we're going to make it today. But know that you could also add gorgonzola to it. You could add some white beans, canned white beans to the mix. You could add some nice grilled shrimp. You could add some nice thinly sliced slices of grilled tenderloin, and really have a whole entree in a bowl. The other thing is right here we've got our bread. Any type of nice Italian hearty bread will do, ciabatta or even a sourdough. And this has been tossed in olive oil and then put in the oven for a while, so you've got kind of crispy large croutons, so the bread doesn't get too soft too quick with the oil and vinegar. So we're just going to add everything and toss it up. And obviously you can use gluten-free bread for this. It works just as well. John here, who works for us, who's actually videoing, is gluten-free. And he kind of said with a sigh, yeah, but gluten-free isn't quite the same as real bread. But there is some good gluten-free bread out there. And I said to him, well, you can always toss the bread with olive oil, put some parm grated on it, and as well toss the bread before you put it in the oven with some roasted garlic, and then make your nice big croutons. And you'll get more flavor if you're concerned that the gluten-free bread isn't quite going to measure up to a regular loaf. So here we are. We've got our tomatoes, and certainly in the summer when we have nice big beefsteak tomatoes, this salad makes a much bigger statement. A lot of basil, some small little pieces of red onion, obviously garlic if we're talking about Italian, and then a little bit of salt. I got some pink Himalayan salt here. All right, we're going to toss all of this up. It smells so good. And then the olive oil and vinegar. And we have a great red wine vinegar here that we get from the Venice region of Italy, which is awesome. Much different than your grocery store variety. And we're using our Italian classic olive oil with this. So the recipe is available at olivelo.com. And I would let this maybe salad sit for 10-15 minutes just so that the croutons soften up a tad. You don't want to let it sit too long. This looks good. It smells excellent. Oh, one got away. Here we go. So enjoy. See you next time.